Hello everyone, today we'll be solving another question in the CodeChef MASH098. The problem code of this question is SHOPCHANGE. Here, and this is a very easy question comparative to the other questions. Here it is given that a person goes shopping and buys things worth X rupees. He has 100 rupees, but not only, and we have to find out the change which he will get after paying. It will contain only 2 lines of input. Line 1, which will contain the number of test cases, that is the number of times the input will run in the code in our single compilation, and this line 2 will be the price of the things that the person has bought, which will be denoted by the integer x. The output is simple, which is the amount of money he'll get back. Now let us go to the code of this program. This program has been coded in the C++ programming language. We have used the library iOS stream and namespace std as the namespace. We have first initialized two variables t and n. Then we have taken the number of test cases t from the user. Then we have used the for loop, initializing a new variable I is equal to 1 till I is not equal to t, that is the number of run cases is not equal to number of test cases, and incrementing the value of each run case by 1 for subsequent run execution of the program inside this parenthesis. Then there's a mistake here. We don't need this n here. We will be initializing the n in the same function inside the parenthesis. Now, many may be asking why we have not initialized the n. Why we have not initialized the n here and taken it here. Now, I would like to say that it's not a problem that if you initialize the n here or here, but the thing is, if you initialize the n here, you can use it in the whole program, while initializing the n here will only allow you to execute the program within this parenthesis. If the value of n is used outside of this parenthesis, the program will not be able to be used, since the value of n is only restricted and its initialization is only restricted between this for code. So we have then taken the input of the n from the user. Then using the if else statement, we have first taken the case when n is less than 100, that is if the person has paid less than the 100 rupees, then he will get the change which is equal to 100 minus n, which is the output. We have ended at the end L to all the outputs, since using this for each of the test run case, the output will be printed on a new line. The else case is when he has spent the whole 100 rupees, then he will get 0 change. Then you have used the return 0, as we do not return any value from this function. Next, let us run this program. As you can see, the answers we got here, the answers given in the output, answers given in the question are the same. So we can submit the code now. As you can see, this code is correct and there are no errors. This is all for this question, and we will meet next time with another question. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will keep bringing such content in the near future. Also, if you have any doubts, feel free to jot them down in the comment box below. Also, many of you may be thinking whether or not you will be getting this solution. So I will be putting the link to the solution in the description box below. Kindly check it out. Thank you.